What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. And as you can see right here on the screen, these are current withdrawals I made on the exclusive website I'm about to show you guys. And the best part of it is that I didn't even deposit a dime on that website. So if you want to make money just like me, make sure you stick with me throughout this video, and I'm about to show you guys step by step on how you can do this. But before that, make sure you have hit the subscribe button down below, and also turn on the notification button so that you won't miss any important information I post on this channel. Okay guys, so without wasting my time, let's get right into this video. Okay guys, so as you can see right here, this website basically helps you to mine Dogecoin with or without investment. Okay guys, so now we're gonna be using the free plan of this website to mine Dogecoin, and later, this is the interesting part of this website, you're gonna be exchanging the Dogecoin to TRX, which is gonna be giving you a great value at the end. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be teaching you guys how you can do this for free. Okay guys, so typically this website's name is actually called dogemaxmining.com. okay guys, so this website's link will be in the video's description. Check out the video's description, you're gonna be finding this link right there. Okay guys, so when you tap on the link, you're gonna be seeing this interface right here. So guys, you're gonna have to sign up an account for yourself on this website. Okay guys, so we're gonna quickly brush through this website and see how this website actually works. Okay guys, so now as you can see right here, this website literally gives 200 mining power for every new member that signs up on this website. And as you can see right here, choose plan to mine Dogecoin instantly. And as you can see right here also, it says earn 5% to 10% commission from referrals daily profits. So you're gonna be earning 5% to 10% commission from your referrals daily profits. Okay guys, so that's how this website actually works. And as you can see, there are plans right here. We have the starter plan right here, which you're gonna be just depositing a minimum of 100 Dogecoin right here. And as you can see right here, we have the gold miner also, which is the minimum deposit is 500 Dogecoin. And as you can see, the diamond also 5,000 Dogecoin is the minimum deposit, and so on. So this website is literally gonna be earning you some cool money right here. And as you can see right here, this website has been actually been verified. When you tap on this check company right here, you're gonna be seeing this interface right here, which means that this website has literally been confirmed by the UK. And as you can see right here, this website company status is active. And as you can see right here, this company type is private limited company. And as you can see right here, the account, like first account made up to 13th March 2023, due by 1st December 2023. So which means that this website is actually legit. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and sign up an account on this website. So we're gonna tap on the register button right here. It's going to be taking you to the next page of this website. And as you can see right here, when we come to the personal data right here, you need to enter your full name right here, your username, and also enter your password, and also retype the password in this section. And when we come to the security options right here, you need to enter your email address, retype the email address, and also enter a security question and a security answer in which you can remember so that you can recover your account. Okay guys, so that's how you're gonna be signing up on this website. And when you come down here, you're gonna see the click to agree with terms and conditions. So you're gonna click on the time sign right here, and it's gonna change to a correct sign right there. And as you can see right here, you just have to tap on the registration button right there. Okay guys, so we are done with the sign in processes. You just have to go to the sign in button right here, and you're gonna be seeing this interface right here. Okay guys, so this requires you to enter your personal information, which is your username and password, and all you have to do is click on the enter account right here, and you're gonna be seeing your dashboard. Okay guys, so as you can see right here, this is a dashboard of the website in your account. And as you can see right here, the mining just started for you live. And as you can see right here, they have also credited your account to the 200 mining power bonus. So which means that this website is actually legit. And as you can see right here, these are the balances right here, your crypto balances in this website. And as you can see right here, they have various different crypto balances right here. They have the Dogecoin, the Tron, Bitcoin, Litecoin, the BNB, and so on. So guys, after you have gotten the Dogecoin, you're gonna be converting this Dogecoin you have mined right here into Trons, and you're gonna be getting a great value on this. Okay guys, so do you remember when I said you're gonna be getting 10% to 20% commission on every referral you make on this website? Okay guys, so this is actually true, and this is the way you're gonna be doing it. Okay guys, so you just have to scroll down here. I'm gonna be seeing your referral link right here. You just have to highlight the referral link and copy it. Okay guys, so when you're done, you just have to go to every social media platform, including the Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, anywhere you have any available social media platform. Just send this link to groups and your friends and your families, especially the groups in which people are actually interested in crypto. Just like Facebook, just go to Facebook and search for crypto groups, and I'm just gonna be pasting this link as a post or something, then add some interesting descriptions, and I bet you're gonna be getting referrals on your profile. Okay guys, so that's how you're gonna be getting referrals on your profile. If you appreciate this, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Don't forget to also turn on the notification button so that you won't miss any important updates I post on this channel. And when we come to the withdrawals right here, you have to go to the withdrawal funds right here. Okay guys, so this is the case where I don't have anything in my wallet, because honestly I just started mining on this website because I heard people are actually getting massive value on this website. People are actually withdrawing on this website. Okay guys, so when you actually get some value or some coins inside your wallet, you just have to come to this withdrawal funds right here, and then as you can see the times button right here. When you click on anyone, you are going to see that it's gonna turn to a correct sign. Okay guys, so when it turns to a correct sign, you just have to like input the amount you want to withdraw, and you just have to you just withdraw your earnings straight into your wallet. So that's how you're gonna be withdrawing on this website. It's actually easy. So when you withdraw the Dogecoin, they have a way of what they have a way of transferring it into TRX, and I'm gonna be withdrawing the TRX right here, which is actually pretty easy. Okay guys, so that's how you're gonna be withdrawing on this website. I'm gonna be doing a withdrawal video live. It will be actually live. I'm gonna be doing a withdrawal video on this website, and I'm gonna be showing you guys that this website is actually legit. Okay guys, so that's how you're gonna be earning from this website. When you need more important updates and informations about crypto, you just have to click the link in my description. You're gonna follow my socials, which is the Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Quora, all the social media platforms. I'm available on all social media platforms. Just follow me on them. I'm gonna be getting exclusive crypto extras and updates. Okay guys, so now make sure you subscribe to my channel and also like this video, and also don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you won't miss any important updates I post on my channel. Peace.